Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to make the screw mounting hole to our PCB board. By making the mounting hole, it makes our PCB mechanically stable and protect the component. Sometimes help with the grounding and assembly alignment. So here we go. By looking at the right side, find the H card here and then click the cycle for making the hole to our PCB board. Let's click. So do like this. I'm not detailed about this point. So now here escape, go to 3D viewer. So as you can see now, our PCB board helping mounting hole like this. Now another way we also can make a mounting hole to our schematic. So go to the schematic here, find the component, click here to find the mounting hole on the schematic, type the mounting hole. So I want the mounting hole path, click OK. Let's click and let's click again. Now go to assign footprint and click the mounting hole path and look at the right side. I want 2.2 to path, double click and click here again. See to our keyboard and click here and enter. So now click OK. I need to disconnect this pin because I don't want to add the ground to our mounting hole. Let's click and do like this. Escape. We have been made the mounting hole to our PCB board. Go to PCB and then update here. Click here and then update PCB. Close. So it's too big now. Escape. Delete here. I need some space for this mounting hole. I'm gonna delete it, H card, and then click the rectangle. Do like this. Okay, let's click escape. So move our mounting hole here. Alright, our board circuit have been at the mounting hole. So now click the rectangle and right click, find the shape modification, click the fillet line. I need the 3mm here. Okay, as you can see now, go to 3D viewer, let's click. So our board circuit look like this.